Okay guys, so now we have here Team Hasleft sa ating blacklist. Samantalang AC Gaming for the global list. And again, this is GM Aston and I will be your caster for tonight. So, as usual, ako na naman ang makakasama nyo for this month's Crossfire Elite League. So, nasa Visayas Cup na tayo. As most of you know, kakatapos lang ng Crossfire Elite League for Luzon. So, yung iba dyan, I'm sure na natutukan nyo naman yung recent Elite League natin. So, this one is a fresh new start. Still, we have top 8 teams on the line.
Move out now.
And so, we already have 1 point going to AC Gaming and 1 point as well for Team Hasleft.
Smoking grenade.
Mukhang parehas pa rin naman sila ng lineup. As you can see, guys. We still have Zeke, Ino, Soles, Brett, and Pard for Team Haslef. So, ulitin, they are coming from Cebu. Yan, FYI. And for TTE Sports Gaming, we have G, Senpai, Boss Tanks, Charits Ched, and Gerald Bass. So, still, we have 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining. 2 players are already down coming from Haslef, samantalang isa pa lang ang pumapalya from AC Gaming.
Roger.
Let's take a look here at our sniper. Si Ino. Feeling ko napakalakas mag-snipe nito ni si Ino eh. Napapansin ko from the past games, well, they are a part of CFEL Luzon. Kasama sila dun sa top 6 teams eh.
Flash bomb.
Malakas talagang mag-snipe tong si Ino. Halos umuubos. Yan. Solis is down with a kill coming from Charits Ched, na sniper naman ng ACG. But looks like Ino being able to kill 1 player and Pard as well. And last man standing, we have Ino for Team
Mission
Haslef.
failed.
Pero
Global risk
naunahan
win.
siya ni Senpai. So 1 point again coming to ACG.
Move, move. Flash bomb. Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Fire grenade.
Okay, 2 minutes still on the clock. Nasabugan ng flashbang.
Fire in the hole.
Let's take a look here at Senpai. And as you guys know, si Senpai ay si Noses. So, nag-change lang siya. Still, AC Gaming has the same lineup. And medyo palyado na
Flash bomb.
ang Haslef, pero mas maraming ubos sa AC Gaming. Charits Ched, last man standing for TTE Esports, nasabugan ng flashbang.
Mission success. Blacklist win. Bomb has been planted at
2 points for Team Haslef. 2 points as well for AC Gaming.
Let's do this. Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade. Fire in the hole.
Here at the center. Yan. Bakit nga ba natin tinututukan yung sniper? Let's take a look sa mga attacker natin. Tingnan natin kung paano ba ang galawan
Smoking grenade.
ng mga attacker. Siyempre, yung iba dyan, I know you guys are watching this. Siyempre, para makakuha kayo ng mga moves. And still, all players in good condition. 1 minute and 34 seconds on the clock. First man down is Soles with the kill coming from sniper of ACG. Grabe. Tignan niyo naman yung kill. Nangunguna agad, we have Ino with 5 kills.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! B site. Smoking grenade! Flash bomb! Flash bomb!
And 43 seconds remaining, 4 versus 4 situation at the moment. Pard being killed by Gerald Baez. Nice headshot. Let's take a look at Senpai. Mga senpai, parang naririnig ko yan sa mga Japanese eh. Sa Japanese term, tama ba?
Bomb has been planted at A site.
Nakaplanta na ang bomba with 36 seconds. 6 seconds naman remaining for our time. Last man standing, Ino versus 2 players from ACG. Mukhang nadedo na si Ino. Let's just wait for ACG.
Bomb has been defused.
1 point again for TT Esports.
Let's do this.
Yan. Sana daw manalo ang Haslef. Sabi ni Codename. Yung Karate Master daw si Senpai. That's coming from Naive 287. Looks like we have a lot of fans of Haslef on our Twitch chat box.
Smoking grenade!
Let's take a look here at the captain of ACG na mukhang medyo iniitlog pa ang score. 0 kill, 0 dead. At mukhang katsatsa niya sa itlugan. Itong si Brett, which is a captain as well of Haslef. 0 kill. Naku po, anong nangyayari guys? Last 2 players from Haslef versus 5. Na-headshot na naman. Nakakuha na naman si Gerald. Nakapitas ng isa. Last man standing again, Ino.
Global risk win.
But looks like ACG hooking up another point.
Let's do this. Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade.
And going to the base of the blacklist. Diba? Sobrang tahimik.
Grenade.
And let's take a look at the map. Kung makita nyo naman. And medyo mausok-usok na. Red smoke. At nagkukumpulan ang Team Haslef sa kalagitnaan. While ACG here, spreading out sa ating mapa. Senpai hooking up 1 kill. Solis being the first man down. Yan ang golden barrel ni Brett.
Flash bomb.
Nagdaratratan na with a double kill coming from the captain of Haslef. Nakadalawa na rin si Brett sa wakas. 53 seconds on the clock. Gerald Baez. Looks like he's setting up near
Bomb has
the
been planted at
B site. Nakatanim na ang bomba. Another headshot from Gerald with a double kill. Triple kill, Gina G. Bumawi.
Bomb has been defused.
Another point.
Move out now.
Standing is 5-2. And FYI guys, 5-2 na in favor of ACG. So again, this is just map 1. So we will be having 2 maps for this match. And both maps will be race to 10. Hindi tayo best of 3 ngayon. So this is just map 1. We have Ankara. Tingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang susunod na mapa for map 2. At kung tig 1 point ba sila or a team will be dominating match 1 of round 1. Gaon Pard getting 1 kill. Na-counter kill si Senpai. Kumante si Gerald. Last man standing is Ino. Si Ino na naman ang natitira.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
Charic finishing the game. 1 point again going to ACG.
Okay, move out.
So this will be the last
Smoking grenade.
and last score before we switch sides.
Fire in the hole.
So lamang na lamang ang ACG. Samantalang 2 points pa lang ang Haslef. Medyo natambakan. Tingnan natin kung makaka 3 points ba ang ating team coming from Cebu. And lakas daw ng AC Gaming, sabi ni Jeffrey. Jeffrey Cho, 26. And so AC Gaming got 4th place for CFEL Luzon. At nakapag-uwi sila ng 80,000. Let's go back to our room para nagre-room as usual guys. Alam niyo naman yung kinagawian natin. We have to switch sides. So let's see kung makakahabol ba ang Haslef or talagang AC Gaming na ang makakakuha ng map 1. Guys, as you see, all players are now ready. Mukhang may na-disconnect na isa. Let's just wait for the other player. Yan guys, kitang-kita nyo naman. Medyo may abubot na. May abubot na yung stream natin. Yan, we have the Celestial Genesis patch for those who haven't patched their Crossfire clients. And you can see as well our promo nung bagong baril natin. From 800 e-coins, mabibili nyo na lang siya ng 640 e-coins sa ngayon. Kaya grab na bago pa siya magmahal ulit. Diba? Alam nyo naman, lahat ng bagay nagmamahal. Napakalakas daw ng AC Gaming. But that is okay, Haslef. Sabi ni Codename. Ayan. Hello to Team Unique. Coming from Larry Day. Hi to AJ De Vera. Well, I can see here active users. Mukhang ganadong-ganado naman kayong mag-chat. At mukhang alam ko naman kung ano ang tumatakbo sa isip nyo. Buti pa daw ang barel, di takot magmahal. Antay-antay lang tayo while we are still waiting for one more player from Team Haslef. Yan, we are now connecting to the room. Tell me guys if there's something wrong kung medyo magulo bang channel. May nagba-bopper nerd kayo.
Let's do this! Smoking grenade! Smoking grenade! Fire in the hole! Flash bomb! Smoking grenade!
Double kill!
3 versus 3 with still 1 minute and 57 seconds. Ayan, nasa buga ng flashbang.
Fire
2
in the
versus
hole!
2 agad-agad. Napabilis. So we still have Boss Tanks and Senpai for Team ACG. And Gaon Brett, ayun, bumagsak na nga with a kill coming from Senpai. Last man standing is Solis.
Fire in the hole!
So ACG still needs 3 points to win map 1. So tingnan natin kung makakahabol ba ang Haslif.
Mission success! Blacklist win! Let's do this!
So naka 1 point na ang AC Gaming, a total of 8 points. Ayan.
Smoking
Kitang-kita
grenade!
nyo naman,
Smoking
7-2 ang
grenade!
standing
Flash
kanina.
bomb!
Bago tayo mag-switch ng sides. Supposedly,
Flash bomb!
when we switch sides, nakakahabol yung isang team. But for now, mukhang may hirapan ang Haslif. Dahil ACG is a strong team, guys. Versus 2, ayan, last man standing is Charich, our sniper of
Mission
ACG.
fail!
It
Global
looks
risk
like we
win!
have Gaon Brett finishing the game. 1 point going to Haslif. Last 2
Let's
points
do
na lang
this.
for ACG.
Smoking grenade!
2 minutes and 11 seconds on the A site.
Fire in the hole!
Charich Shed getting the first kill. Pard. First man down.
Fire in the hole! Smoking grenade!
AC Gaming daw tayo, sabi ni Kyle, diba?
B site.
Nagkakaratratan with a double kill coming from Brett. Mukhang nauubos ang ACG. Ayaw sumuko ng Haslif. Kasi last 2 points na lang eh. Diba? Tingnan natin kung sino ang magdadala ng laro. But looks like last man standing here, si Zeke na lang. And we still have a sniper from ACG. So, medyo doble ingat.
Bomb has been planted at B site.
37 seconds for the bomb.
Success! Blacklist win! Fire in the hole!
AC Gaming getting 1 point again. Last 1 point for ACG to get map 1. So again guys, race to 10. As you can see, we already have 7 points for the earlier side. And ngayon, nakaka 2 points na sila. So isa na lang.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb! Grenade!
2 players from Haslif. Ayan, tumatlo na. Tatlo na ang bumabagsak. Last one standing, we have Pard. Let's see if he can clutch. Mukhang dalawa pa ang katapat from ACG.
Mission success! Blacklist win! Flash bomb!
1 point again for AC Gaming. So, balik tayo sa room. So, we have AC Gaming TT Esports for map number 1. Let's see what we have next for map number 2. So we'll have to switch sides ulit. We have AC Gaming for the Blacklist and Team Haslif for the Global Risk. So tingnan natin. Yan, habang nagtotoss coin. So since AC Gaming being able to win the first map, they are choosing hits. So they will be able to choose as well kung saang side nga ba sila mapupunta. So you can see guys in the room. Ayan. So game, we will be having AC Gaming for our Blacklist. So mukhang magre-retain. So retain tayo sa same sides. So we are now joining the room. Still, we will be having TT Esports ACG versus Team Haslif. And our map number 2 is Desert Storm. Ayan, tingnan natin. Looks like this is our first time encountering Desert Storm. Medyo bago sa paningin. 'Di ba? Ngayon lang natin matatry maglaro sa Desert Storm actually. In 1 minute and 53 seconds, looks like Boss Tanks is already down from ACG. Mukhang wala sa hulog ang captain ng ACG ngayon. But parang napapansin ko, kanina pa siya iniitlog. Jelby is getting the first kill. Charge Ched as well. So it's a 3 versus 3 situation. All players still okay na okay ang HP. Ayos na ayos.
Flash bomb. Flash bomb.
Someone is asking, GM Astral, ask nyo nga po sa AC Gaming kung tumatanggap sila ng bagong player. Yan. Mukhang may fanatic na fanatic ang ACG at gustong maging member ng team nyo. Well, for that one, you should ask the captain, syempre. Pero napakalupit ng kalaban itong ACG na to eh. Of course, guys, this is Crossfire Elite League. We are having the best
Bomb has been
teams
planted at B
to
site.
play for the Elite. Kaya, of course, they deserve this spot. Mga malalakas na team sa Pinas.
Fire in the hole.
2 versus
Fire
1,
in the
last
hole.
man stand, we have Solis. Nakaplanta na ang bomba. Let's see how he will be reacting.
Mission success.
Medyo
Blacklist win.
pagresponda. Wala sa hulog. 1 point again for ACG.
Let's do this.
Flash bomb. Smoke and grenade.
First man down is Gerald. G being able to kill Brett. Yan, 4 versus 4. Yan, waterboy na lang daw siya ng ACG. Pwede. Sabi ni Presco.
Flash bomb.
Yan. So, later I will be mentioning you guys. So, medyo antabayanan nyo lang. As you guys already know, we'll be having trivias after this match. So, let's just focus first sa ating mainit na laban.
Smoke and
So still, we have 1 minute and 4 seconds. Ino getting one snipe. Bumagsak na ang sniper ng ACG. Maui si Z. Last man standing is Boss Tanks. Sasabak na.
Global
Pero
risk win.
naunahan ni Pard. We have 1 point for Haslef.
Let's do this.
And while Solis here is setting up. Ayan, naglabas ng kukri. Itong mga player natin, napakadaming pang VIP, no? Haslef here being the top 5 of CFEL Luzon. Nakapag-uwi ng 40,000. Samantalang ACG here being the top 4. Mga 4th place team. So, being able to hook 80,000, diba? So, napakalaki ng cash prize natin.
Smoking grenade.
Kaya you guys should try to join the Challenger Series and get your spot at the Elite League. Sobrang hindi kayo magsisisi, bawing-bawi ang lahat ng ginastos nyo. Lalo na kapag pumasok ka sa top 8, that's a sure ball. Yaman mo pag ganun. Gerald Baez, last man standing against 5 players from Haslef. Medyo Gerald against the world. On the way here to A site.
Mission fail. Global
Nauna
risk
ng
win.
sniper, 1 point for Haslef.
Okay, move out.
Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade.
Yan. Go AC Gaming, Boss Tanks. Galingan mo na, sabi ni Addict Much. Yan. Oo nga daw, yung cash prize daw pang VIP. Well,
Flash bomb.
obviously, pinang-VIP nga nila. Pang VIP tsaka pang foods.
Bomb has been planted at
Ayan.
B site.
The bomb here already on the B site. Let's see how Brett will respond to this. Getting 1 kill. But still 4 to go.
Blacklist
Fire in
win.
the hole.
Yung nakapatay din si Boss Tanks. Mukhang ngayon pa lang siya
Move out now.
nagpapatutok.
Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade.
Yan, AC Gaming, wag daw susuko. Kaya nyo yan.
Smoking grenade.
Di ba dapat Haslef ang hindi susuko?
Blacklist win.
Yan guys, as a score, the score is 2-2. We have 2 points for Haslef and 2 points for ACG. Sobrang tie. Tie na tie. So let's just wait for Senpai here to get ready.
Move out now.
Yan, balik tayo sa desierto. Still, we are in the desert storm.
Smoking grenade.
Hindi ko din alam bakit desert storm. Asa ng storm. At hindi ko din alam kung bakit desert. Parang wala namang buhangin. Napakadaming sulok. Napakahirap maghanap. Tingnan naman guys yung mapa. Let's take a look at the map here. Parang puro bodega. 2 versus 2, Boss Tanks and G. And last man standing is Zeke.
Bomb has been planted at A site.
Mission success. Blacklist
1
win.
point for AC Gaming. So the standing, guys, is now 3-2.
Move.
Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade.
Medyo umaalingasaw ang smoke. So, again, for those who don't know, medyo may advantage ang mga naka-Ice Pop X.
Flash bomb.
Charity Shed getting 1 kill. And 3 versus 3 with 1 minute and 18 seconds. Boss Tanks is down with a kill from Ino. Ang kulit ng baril ni Gerald, no? Parang water gun. Last man standing is Senpai. Nalikuran. Si Soles. With 2 more players to go from Team Haslef. Tingnan natin kung kaya bang i-clutch ni Senpai ang laban na ito. Grabe.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
Sayang yun. Kala ko pa naman makapag-clutch ka na.
Let's do this.
Smoking grenade.
So, it's a total of 3-3. Medyo, halata naman. Tayo na tay. Tayo na naman. Lumipad. Nahulog si Antonio.
Mission fail.
4 kills coming from Pard. Grabe. Grabe ka na, Pard.
Let's do this.
Medyo sikat ang datingan ni Pard doon. Oh, it looks like we have 2 snipers from Haslef. Nag-decide ng mag-2 snipe. Grabe. Yung isa parang ipis lang. Parang may ipis na naman na lumipad. Tapos biglang bumagsak.
Smoking grenade.
Zeke being killed by
Fire in
Ched.
the hole.
Sumunod sa kill si Boss Tanks.
Fire in the hole.
Diba? Yung score ni Pard lumipad ng 6. Tignan naman ang standing. At tignan nyo naman ang ping. Ang sarap. Diba? Yung ping nila lasang tagumpay. 1 versus 1, we have Boss Tanks and Brett. Captain versus Captain.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
5 points for Team Haslef. Ayaw sumuko ng Haslef. Kailangan sa amin ng map number 2 para fair.
Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade.
Diba? Kasi kapag 2 maps ang ACG, automatically they'll be having 4 points. So, for our point system, when you win 1 map, so 2 points ka agad sa ranking ng elite. Diba? 1 map is 2 points na. Eh, kung nag-tie yan, edi may tig 1 point sila. Tutukan natin ang captain ng Haslif. Or do you want Pard? We already have 8 kills coming from Pard. Mukhang lumabas ang dragon. Yan. Boss Tanks, mahal. Galingan mo. Pambili natin ng bigas yan. Mapapanalunan mo. Bigas agad? Panalo agad? Wala pa. This is just the start of the CFEL Visayas. So we still have a lot of rounds to go and a lot of days. Madami-dami pang panahon tayong magsasama. At dahil dyan, magpapalit muna ulit ng side. Let's go back to the lobby at mukhang playing na. So, balik na tayo sa room. So, still we will be having Desert Storm as our map number 2 and this is Race to 10. So, for the score recap, it's 6-3. So, 1 minute and 48 seconds. Nangunguna ang Haslif. So, last 4 points for Haslif. Eh, hindi pa naman masyadong malaki ang agwat from ACG.
Smoking grenade! Smoking grenade! Bomb has been planted in A site.
Nakaplanta na agad ang bomba. Napakabilis with 34 seconds. Yan, with 1 flashbang.
Fire in the hole!
With a double kill coming from G. Let's just wait for ACG
Bomb
to
has been
defuse.
defused.
So we have 1 point for TG Esports.
Move out
Plus
now.
the 3 points earlier, so that's a total of 4 points.
Smoking grenade!
Let's take a look at Gerald Baez.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb.
Yan. Bawi daw tayo, mga Bisaya. From Razil 231. So, Haslef is from Cebu.
Smoking grenade.
Cheer nyo
Fire in
naman
the hole.
ang inyong team.
Fire in the hole.
Yan. Bawi.
Flash bomb.
1 minute and 3 seconds. Senpai getting 1 kill. Zig is down. Senpai na counter kill. 55 seconds on the clock. 3 versus 2. We have 3 players still from Haslef. Ayan, nag-iisa na lang the captain of ACG, Boss Tanks.
Bomb has been planted at B.
Yun, naiplanta na nga. On the way na si Boss Tanks, but looks like he was able to kill Brett. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ba niya si Pard. Nako po, nagawa pa niyang i-clutch. So, let's just wait for the captain to defuse.
Bomb has been defused.
2 points for ACG.
Let's
Grabe.
do this.
Mahabol ang AC Gaming. Standing is 5-6.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
We have here our sniper.
Flash bomb.
Pag sniper ka talaga, kailangan din fast hands ka mag-switch no? Ito na naman tayo sa sa sniper Sobrang, kasi ako sa sniper. Sobrang butthurt ako. Siguro kasi hindi ko siya magawa.
Smoking grenade.
Three players left from Haslef.
Smoking grenade.
Oh, that's from ACG. 3 players from ACG. Dadalawa na lang. 4 players naman for Haslef. Kailangan bumawi ng Haslef.
Flash bomb.
Kundi,
Smoking
medyo
grenade. Bomb has been planted at B.
masamang
Fire in the
bingo.
hole.
This is the first match for this cup. So, nabinyagan. Sino nga ba ang nabinyagan ngayon?
Blacklist win.
Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, konting cheer lang yun Yan. Push PH supporting AC Gaming. Yan. Hello to Push PH. Haslef, go, go, go! Coming from Brazil. Win or lose. Yan. Hashtag win or lose. Hashtag Haslef, go Haslef. Cebu Pro Gamers. Bisaya na pud. From Justin.
Fire in the hole.
Diba? Pag nakapatay ang Haslef, si ate nag-cheer. Parang pep squad.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
Nakaka-turn on daw si Boss Tank. Sabi ni Juver J. Last 2 players for ACG. Let's see if Haslef can hook up another score. Nag-iisa ka na lang, Senpai. Senpai, notice me.
Bomb has been planted at A site.
34 seconds remaining.
Flash
One
bomb.
down for
Fire in
Haslef.
the hole.
Let's check if he will be able to kill 3 more.
Smoking grenade.
Pero The bomb is already planted. Wait, 19 seconds. Double time muna.
Flash bomb.
Yung nasabugan ng flashbang.
Smoking grenade.
Nakaiwas. Mukhang uubusin nga.
Double
Ay,
kill.
grabe.
Mission success.
Grabe,
Blacklist
effort
win.
yun. Naubos nga.
Let's do this.
Pero hindi inabot eh. Sayang.
Smoking grenade.
So it's a total of 8 points in favor of Haslif, samantalang 5 points naman for AC Gaming.
Fire in the hole.
Ayan, support Haslif. Sabi ni Mike Jazz.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb.
1 minute and 39 seconds. No, ubos ang Haslif. Last 2 players. Yan, medyo delicates na ang HP ni Soles right here. Ayun, natuluyan na nga. Mukhang nabate. So it's our sniper against 2 players from ACG. Mukhang ganadong-ganado si
Mission
Senpai
fail. Global
with
risk
9
win.
kills.
Move out now.
Smoking grenade.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Fire in the hole.
Grabe mga likuan ng Desert Storm. Ang kikitid ng Eskinita. Last one player, we have Pard. Tignan natin kung makakaubos na naman si Pard tulad ng nangyari kanina. Nalikuran si Gerald Baez. Still with 4 players to go. I mean, 3 players to go for AC Gaming.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
But looks like Senpai here getting 1 headshot.
Move out
Standing is
now.
now 7-8. Isang punto na lang ang namamagitan for ACG
Smoking grenade.
and Team
Smoking
Cebu.
grenade. Fire in the hole.
And left, right. We have
Fire
here
in the
Zeke.
hole.
Tingnan natin si G.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Flash bomb.
Double kill.
Double kill coming from Gerald with the
Multi-kill.
triple kill. Yan, Brett and the Golden
Double
Braille
kill.
with a double kill. Yan, dalawa pa pala ang Haslif. May katiting pa na natitira kay Ino. Tingnan natin kung saan ka abutin ang HP mo, Kuya Boy. Last players for ACG, but looks like Gerald here, being the MVP at Challenge Red, being able to kill.
Let's do
Tinapos
this.
na ang laro. 1 point for ACG.
Fire in the hole.
Ay, naku, day. Let's take a look with 60 as the previous score and 2-5 as the current score. 8 points. So, tie na tie. Ayun tayo eh. Pag parehas talagang malakas.
Flash bomb.
Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng golden round. And let's take a look at the standing. Looks like we have 10 kills coming from Solis and Senpai. Yung mga pangalawa, Bard and G with
Blacklist
7
win.
kills.
Flash bomb. Team, hold position.
Okay, move out.
Flash bomb.
Mission failed. Global risk
So
win.
let's the room. Guys, so the standing, we have 9 points for Team Haslif and we have 8 points going to ACG. So, last 1 point na lang for Haslif at nang maka-isang puntos. So let's just wait for one more player.